away they go. Capretiosa. From the outside, Jobel success down on the inside is Mr. Love alongside is Madera and brushing up his bagong silang Katmei. It's Capretiosa by some 3 lengths. Jobel success, Madera. Mr. Love down on the inside, bagong silang Katmei. Golden Hana is racing in 7th position. Scad Missile is down on the inside, Instant Reyes Gold and Slam Shot Wonder Pop is running at the tail of the field. Last 500 Capretiosa, Madera, Mr. Love, Jobel success as they race the final corner. Capretiosa, Mr. Love is on the outside, Jobel success, and on the further outside is Madera, Instant Bagong Silang Golden Hana. Mr. Love is now the leader by some 2 lines, followed now by Golden Hana, Bagong Silang, and finally Mr. Love, Katmei, Bagong Silang, Golden Hana, Islam Shot, Close, Madera, and Scad Missile for your Super Sais.